When you're using a PC in a business environment, it is extremely crucial that all of your information is secure. In a corporate environment, the dangers are many. You can lose client data, you can lose employee data, and then you can also lose personal data of your own on these devices. This can create financial problems for the company, it can create lawsuits or other employee-related issues. So it's obviously very important that your devices and the information contained on them is secure. How is Windows 10 helping you with this? Microsoft and Intel have teamed up to offer a couple of innovations which should drastically improve security in Windows 10. Before we get into what those specific technologies are, it's also important to recognize that most of the threat still lies in the fact that if you are using your device on an open network, you can still be hacked and people can still get into those devices. So we'll talk about specific network settings later on in this series, but it's just important to remember that. Now, once someone is on your network or in the physical location, or maybe even if they have stolen one of your devices, this is where Intel and Microsoft new technologies are really going to take over and protect your information. We'll talk more specifically about what each of these technologies do, but for now, let's just mention what these technologies are. So there's Intel RealSense, there's Microsoft Passport, and there's Windows Hello. Now, Intel RealSense is really kind of a concept. Basically, it allows OEMs and other manufacturers to certify their devices, cameras, and other sensors as Intel RealSense devices. Once they are certified as Intel RealSense devices, Intel provides certain technologies that will help make interactions on a PC a little bit more natural. So you could do something like log in with your face. What you would need in order to do that is an Intel RealSense certified camera on that device, and then also Windows Hello, which is part of Windows 10. Windows Hello is Microsoft and Windows 10's certified authentication system. So it authenticates users using biometrics, things like their thumbprint or fingerprint or a facial scan using an Intel RealSense camera. And then lastly, Microsoft Passport is an authentication system that requires multiple layers for a user to physically access a machine.